We are from Truemaths, and in this video we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 5.1. The question says to know the opinion of students about the subject statistics. A survey of 200 students was conducted. Okay, the data is recorded in the following table. Okay, the opinion was taken and it found that out of 200 students, 135 students like this subject and the remaining 65 do not like this subject. Okay, now you have to find the probability that a student chosen at random likes statistics. Now first of all, I have to find the probability of a student that they like this subject. So obviously, to find the probability of an event, we have to find the total number of trials. So in this case, the total number of trials will be equals to the total number of students. So the total number of students, will be our total number of trials, which is given to us as 200. And for this case, the event has occurred 135 out of 200 trials. So in this case, my event, the number of trials in which this event has happened is 135, and in the denominator it is the total number of trials. This formula will remain the same for all the questions, but the total number of trials and the number of trials in which that event has occurred will change question to question. So two things are important. First of all, you have to find out the total number of students, which will act as a total number of trials, and you are given the number of students who likes this subject, and if you want to find the probability of the students which like this subject would be 135 upon 200, that is the number of trials in which this event has occurred. The event is liking the subject and upon total number of trials. In the second case, I have to find the probability that a student does not like it. So I have to find the probability of students which dislike the subject. Again, formula will remain the same, the number of trials in which this event has occurred upon the total number of trials. In this case, event is does not like the subject. So the number of trials in which this event has occurred is 65, and the total number of event will remain as it is. If you want to solve this further, you can cancel this by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are, and 5 4s are, and the answer will be 27 upon 40 for the first case. Now similarly, 5 13, 5 40, and 13 upon 40 will be the answer for second case. So this is how you can solve the seventh question of this exercise. I hope you have understood this one. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, this is our number. You can call us or you can send us your query on WhatsApp. Thank you.